So very good evening, my dear friends. So it's a good opportunity for many of you, those who are preparing for different type of banking examination, regulatory body examination. So as all of you can see that Agriculture Insurance Company, that is AIC, has released its notification again. Last year also it had conducted the examination, right? And the organization is good if you want to work with, if you're not getting or if you're not settling anywhere, you can apply for this, and it's a good opportunity for many of you because the examination pattern is simple at a single stage go. So I think all of you must take this examination seriously and apply for it. Who knows that you will get selected. So let's see that it is a good company, the Agriculture Insurance Company. First of all, it has given its description. Now coming on to the main thing, what you should know is that online registration is from 30th of January till 2nd of Feb, and the examination that is most important for all of you is in March or April tentatively. They have not given the specific dates. Now coming on to the other important thing that are important, the number of vacancies. IT they have 20, actuarial they have 5, and generalist they have 30. So total 55 vacancies are there. Since it includes right backlog vacancies also, last year many of the students they could not clear the cutoff. They could not clear the cutoff. So since AIC has a clear rule that if you will not clear the cutoff, I will tell you what is the cutoff, then they will not take you. Even though the vacancies remain vacant, it will remain vacant. They will not take you if you do not meet their specific criteria. So since it includes your backlog vacancy, that's why you can see the number of OBC vacancies are more than your unreserved vacancies. That is the case. So this is there. Now coming on that one candidate can apply only for one post or one discipline only, right? This is the thing. Now coming on to other aspects, which is important, just I will tell you that gross salary depends upon city to city, the maximum being the 90,000, though this is not bad at all, right? This is not bad at all. You can just think for this vacancy, right? And candidates, see this I was telling out. The candidates have in generalist, they can apply means any type of graduation if you have 60% marks, right? And reserved category of 55% marks, you can apply for it. So 60% is necessary, right, for the generalist one. Then the specialist, you have the qualification. You can go through this notification. I will not read one by one. So for actuarial, these are the right minimum qualifications. Information technology, these are the minimum qualification again with 60%, 55% criteria. Now coming on to the important things that you should know, that you should take into consideration. I will tell you just be hang on. See, this is the online examination, what I was telling you, that the 2.5 hour test that will constitute your 150 right minutes, you have to score 60% again in the online examination. The minimum qualifying mark is 60% for general and 55% for the reserved candidates. So this is very important. That's why the number of vacancies, right, they didn't got filled up last year, and we can see the backlog vacancies this year. So be very clear, if you won't be getting this 60%, 55% out of this 150, right, so you won't be called for it. So this is there, right? This is very important for you. Now, the pattern of the examination for the general test of reasoning, 40 marks, test of English, 25 marks, test of general awareness and all 35 marks. See, this is a good thing over there. Those students who are not good in quant, so they will be asking 40 questions. 40 question is not only for quant. 40 question includes your quant plus your computer literacy. This is a very good thing for all those who do not have very much good speed in mathematics and also at English descriptive there will be right, there will be 2 question of 10 marks that. So this is very good, right? You can score well with the help of the computer also. Reasoning you have to work a little bit. English again 25 and general awareness again 35. So total it comes to 150 marks. You have to score 60% minimum to qualify. This is not the cutoff. Means you have to get 60% minimum, then only, right, you can be shortlisted for the interview and all those things. Similarly, for actuary, the main thing is test of professional knowledge, 60 marks. Again, for the IT related people, right, the main thing is your IT knowledge, 100 marks. Rest, everything is very minimal. So if you're very strong in IT, nothing to look back, you can apply for this examination, and there will be negative marks for this examination. So all these things, my dear friends, right, they will be calling you for interview in 1:3 ratio, right? Maximum interview marks is 50 marks. Again, I'm telling that, see, again in interview also, you have to score minimum 50 marks, 50% marks, that is 25 minimum out of 50. Last year I have seen I am giving you the example. Somebody scored 24.75 in interview and he scored way above the cutoff marks of the means he was scoring around 75% marks, right? But he was not selected. Why he was not selected? Because he could not clear the cutoff of the interview, that was 25. Though if we add his overall marks was means way above the cutoff, the final cutoff, but he was not getting selected because of he couldn't qualify the interview. He got 24.75, not 25. So take this cutoff of 60% and 50% in the interview very clearly, right? So that you score well and you're clear with your targets. Without achieving these targets, you cannot be recruited into AIC. So with all this, I will end the today's session, and soon we will be launching the crash course, right, for you for this entire program that can benefit you. Bye bye, my dear friends. Take care.